Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on computer organization on topic pipelining and vector processing. The question reads as follows. Consider 5-stage instruction pipeline which allows overlapping of all instructions except branch instruction. In the case of branch instruction, the target is not available until the current branch instruction is complete. This is very vital information. Let there are 20% branch instructions and every stage consumes 2 nanosecond delay. Ignore the overhead and also ignore the fact that some of the branch instructions are conditional. Then the average instruction time is. In order to answer this question, let us first consider instruction J and assume that it's a non-branch instruction. Since the instruction pipeline is 5-stage, we draw here a 5-stage pipeline where the stages are fetch, decode, code, memory and write. Since IJ is a non-branch instruction, we can parallelly overlap this instruction with other instructions as given in the question. So, instruction following instruction J, that is J plus 1 to J plus 4 can be processed while instruction J moves to different stages. And at clock 5, each instruction from instruction J till instruction J plus 4 are in different stages of pipeline. And as can be seen, all instructions from instruction J plus 1 till J plus 4 on an average take one CPU cycle of time for completion. Now consider instruction J is a branch instruction with branch target to instruction K, and we are said in the question that the target is not available until the current branch instruction is complete. That is, the address of instruction K will not be known until instruction J completes. Instruction J completes at clock 5. And by the time of clock 5, we have fetched instruction J plus 1 till J plus 4, which we need to discard since we need to jump from instruction J to instruction K. Now, if we look at the instruction K, we need to start the pipeline again from clock number 6. So all these four clocks are stalled, and this is called branch penalty. That means no useful work is done among these 4 cycles. Now the question asks us to compute average instruction time. Since 80% of branch instructions are non-branch instruction, they will take 1 clock of CPU time, and 20% are branch instruction which will need 4 stall cycle plus 1 cycle to complete its operation. So in total 5 cycles. And we are said that each clock or each stage take 2 nanoseconds of delay. So we multiply 0.8 with 2 and here 5 with 2 and multiplied by the percentage of branch instruction. So in total it evaluates to 3.6 nanosecond, which is the required answer. Thank you.